Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to say hidden characters in Character AI. In Character AI, hidden characters are characters set to private, either by you or another user, are not visible in the character list by default. However, if you are looking for a way to view or interact with hidden or private character, here's how you can do. First, go to Character AI and log into your account. If you created a character and set it to private, you won't show up in a public character list, but you can still access it through your account. First of all, go to your profile and click on Public Profile. Here, you can see that this character is hidden, and it is in private, and this is in public. So, you can chat with the private character from here. If you were interacting with a character and it suddenly seems hidden, you might still be able to access the chat history directly from your chat list or conversation history. If you are a creator or a character and you want to make it visible to others, go to Character Settings. Find the Visibility option. Click on the three dots here and click on Edit. Scroll down until you see Visibility and make it to Private. In public visibility, if a character was set to private by another user, you won't be able to see or interact with it unless they choose to share it with you. If you know the creator, you could reach out to them and ask them to share or make a character public. If you are looking to unlock or view character that's hidden, your best bet is to either have it shared with you or check your own character settings if it's one you created. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.